Well, hello. How are you doing? Hope all is well. I'm hoping to be back, or at least going to try to get back into the swing of things. And it would definitely it would definitely be different, just because timing and life happening, having an infant, so on and so forth. Um, but I'm going to try my very best to share things as they are going, as they're happening, and one of them involves this. So, my husband and I, we did purchase a home, and now we are really in the phase of trying to organize, declutter, start the decorating process. And this is the treasure chest quarter 3 from Goldmine Coco, and it's actually quite perfect because I don't know if you can see that, but clutter to calm is literally exactly what is happening. So I figured I will show you guys everything in it. I have not actually unboxed it at all, as you can see. It's literally been this way. And then what I plan to do with it and what I'm going to use with it. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the video. So like most Goldmine Coco's treasure chest boxes, they do give you like what's inside of the book. So as you see, we have a workbook, which is the main thing I wanted out of here. Some labels, a digital decluttering guide, some coloring pages, which would be great. Desk pad for mind mapping, an organization center, which is magnetic, and then some stickers. And then on the back, it kind of shows you what everything looks like, so you can kind of, go with that. So we're just gonna start at the top. First thing up here is the digital declutter pocket guide. So clearly as it says, which also works because I definitely have some decluttering digitally that I need to do. I need to go through emails and subscribe for some things. I want to clear up I don't know about you, but I have so many book parts, especially when I was like planning my wedding and my sister and I was like tag teaming looking at like bridesmaid dresses and stuff like that. And she was in a link, I would save it. I was in a link, she would save it. Or I was saving that too. So I have a lot of stuff that I just need to declutter. So this is actually going to be great for that. Next up, we have some stickers. These are the functional stickers. So it just comes on this packing here. I believe these are all washi stickers. So you got like laundry, like the mopping, vacuuming, the dishes, clean the kitchen, plants and windows, the like, I guess mopping again, and then the spray. We have some actual stickers, like word stickers, trash can and pets, and recycling and pets, laundry and beds, toilets and the bucket, a couple more of the actual words, and yeah, that's it. So that is all of the stickers. This here is what I was excited for. Try to find my pen so I can put this up here. As it says on here, our Clutter to Calm workbook is the perfect solution to help you organize your home, clear space, and gain clarity. And these are some of the features which is in there. So we'll just do a quick flip through. It does have like a plastic front to protect. You know, of course, that good GMC paper, nice and thick. So understanding your clutter. So setting your goals for decluttering. Creating a vision board, that's nice. Room, you can break down your room, your areas. I like that. That's actually going to be perfect. Your decluttering strategies and methods. And I know she did mention this. So you got minimalist for a box, the Kamari. Then here is the 12-12-12 challenge. Okay. Oklahoma Project 333. Okay, I like that. Then room by room decluttering guide, which is great. This is pretty much how I plan to do things because it would just be not overwhelming to do it that way. We even got some digital decluttering here. I like that. And I know, in case you're interested, this box is available for purchase on her website. So I'll make sure I link the website below. Emotional aspects of decluttering, which I definitely think is a thing because, you know, I am one to hold on to things because it's a memory. So yeah. Then you got maintaining that space. That's, I think, very important is maintaining. Like once you declutter and organize, you have to maintain it. And then delegation, family involvement, which would be great. I'm telling my husband, okay, go ahead and do this. Go do that. Go do this and go do that. Okay. This is cool. And we got some note pages. Yeah, so that is the workbook, which I definitely like, and I look forward to using that. So here we have some labels, and I know I did see like a sneak of this, I think on one of the lives, is literally your labels for organizing. So this is going to be perfect when I actually go and start doing this. So I know these are all clear, and yeah, this side is also clear. This just has a little backing, but yes. So you guys can kind of see some of the ones that's included. I'm going to definitely enjoy this. Very much so. And this is what the back. So it's 30 sheets, 400 stickers. Love that. Then here, this is Command Center magnetic stick. So let's go ahead and open up the actual Command Center. Which I know is like something that you can like hang on your refrigerator. Or if you had like another space, you can hang it there. But I know that's what these are for because it is magnetic. So yeah, it'd probably be best on your refrigerator. So that's probably where this will go once I like, sorry about the shaking, get this situated. But yeah, this actually would be great. Because I also too in my phone, I don't know if you guys know, but there's a way, and maybe I'll do like a little quick tutorial and include it in the video, but there's a way that you can set up like a monthly reminder in your phone. So what I did is, I'm notorious for always forgetting to clean the microwave. So I put, once I cleaned it the last time, I set a reminder to set myself up to do it at least once a month. So this will actually be great for that. And of course, we got a erase with it. So that is the Command Center. I love how I came into this. I don't know what I can use this again for, but I probably will try to. Then here we have some coloring pages. So these are okay. These are all actually just individual. So this would be great. And shoot, after I color some, I may actually hang it up as some artwork for myself. Yeah. Which I think could also be great too for my son. He's very observant, even for his age. So I think this would be cool for him to see. So it's like, yeah, it won't only be your artwork on the walls. It'll also be mommy's too. So that's the coloring pages. And then last but not least in here was the project mind map. And this is probably something else that I would really try to use. And it gets into actually starting to organize everything. Okay, so these are all binded at the top. So you see it has the square grid at the back. So you got this mind map, and then here on the sides you got what do you want, what supplies you need, why you need it, the purpose, how does it help, who can help you, and if there's a deadline. So I think I would definitely try to probably use this as using conjunction with the actual workbook, but let this be like a visual so that I can just like hang it up. Okay, this is my go-to. So I can set it up in the book, but then use this and hang it in the room that I'm working on, so I don't have to always reference the book, you know? So yeah, this is everything that came in this treasure chest Q3. Bring everything back over here so you guys can see it. And I definitely look forward to using all of these things. And what I'm going to do in conjunction, so I actually went to the library and they had this book to loan out. So I'm going to be using this book, taking notes in the back of the workbook to kind of help me out. And especially if they break it down room by room, when I'm going to do room by room, even better. I actually haven't opened the book, so I don't know how exactly everything is organized, but I'm definitely excited to get into this book. I love their show, and I look forward to using this book. So yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning into today's video. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share if this helps you, if this helps someone else that you know that's, you know, thinking about going through this process. And, you know, we can try to be helpful to one another. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I will talk with you soon.